Herbicides and fungicides are commonly used to control weeds and diseases in the soil beneath our feet, but a better approach might be right above our heads. Heating up the soil by trapping the sun's heat, a technique known as soil solarization, can kill weeds and soil diseases in warm climates. But now, using special plastics that trap more heat, the technique is being tried in the cooler climes of the Pacific Northwest.
I first began working with soil solarization as a way to disinfest container nurseries from the pathogen Phytophthora ramorum, which causes sudden oak death. And growers really didn't have a way of disinfesting their soil. You couldn't use fumigants in most cases because of proximity to buildings and roads and homes. And so we first tried this in container nurseries, found that it worked very well. And then we thought, why limit it to container nurseries? Why not try it in field production nurseries? And our target wasn't so much Phytophthora in those examples, but other soil-borne pathogens. And then lo and behold, it's very effective at suppressing weeds.
The first year that we did solarization trials, we had dramatic results with weed germination. We could see clear differences, basically a line in the field between solarized and non-solarized. And we had weeds and no weeds, so it was pretty obvious that we were onto something big. Everybody jumped on board and we moved pretty quickly and aggressively at adopting it as a full-scale practice for the farm. We knew that things were going right when it's probably the middle of the year following our first year of implementation, when our field foreman here said to the manager, "What are we going to do all summer long? There's no more weeds." That's when we knew things were really going right.
In nearby Yamhill, Oregon, Bailey Nurseries is also experimenting with the technique.
And so far what we're seeing good weed management. It's exciting. It's a challenge. We do not fumigate on this facility. It's all done either through herbicides or hand weeding. So anything that we can try to reduce labor, as labor is our number one cost and our number one challenge, it's exciting to see.
We see it expanding to other crops where the crop is grown in a raised bed situation, or potentially even row crops, high value row crops, particularly organic vegetables, where growers don't have very many options for controlling weeds. So we're very excited about this.